Hybrid cloud. A hybrid cloud is built with both public and private clouds, as shown at the lower left corner of figure. Private clouds can also support a hybrid cloud model by supplementing local infrastructure with computing capacity from an external public cloud. A hybrid cloud provides access to clients, the partner network, and third parties. In summary, public clouds promote standardization, preserve capital investment, and offer application flexibility. Private clouds attempt to achieve customization and offer higher efficiency, resiliency, security, and privacy. Hybrid clouds operate in the middle with many compromises in terms of resource sharing. Community cloud. A community cloud is shared between organizations with a common goal or that fit into a specific community, professional community, geographic community, etc. One example of using a community cloud would be to test drive some high-end security products or even test out some features of a public cloud environment. This is great for organizations that are driven by compliance and regulatory measures. Government, healthcare, and some regulated private industries are leveraging the added security features with a community cloud environment. Instead of just provisioning space in a public cloud, organizations can test and work on a cloud platform which is secure, dedicated, and even compliant with certain regulations. The really interesting part is that with a community cloud, the presence can be either on-site or off-site. Uses of cloud computing. Scalable usage. Cloud computing offers scalable resources through various subscription models. This means that you will only need to pay for the computing resources you use. This helps in managing spikes in demands without the need to permanently invest in computer hardware. Netflix, for instance, leverages this potential of cloud computing to its advantage. Due to its on-demand streaming service, it faces large surges in server load at peak times. The move to migrate from in-house data centers to cloud allowed the company to significantly expand its customer base without having to invest in setup and maintenance of costly infrastructure. Chatbots. The expanded computing power and capacity of the cloud enables us to store information about user preferences. This can be used to provide customized solutions, messages, and products based on the behavior and preferences of users. Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant all are cloud-based natural language intelligent bots. These chatbots leverage the computing capabilities of the cloud to provide personalized, context-relevant customer experiences. The next time you say, "Hey Siri," remember that there is a cloud-based AI solution behind it. Communication. The cloud allows users to enjoy network-based access to communication tools like emails and calendars. Most of the messaging and calling apps like Skype and WhatsApp are also based on cloud infrastructure. All your messages and information are stored on the service provider's hardware rather than on your personal device. This allows you access your information from anywhere via the internet. Productivity. Office tools like Microsoft Office 365 and Google Docs use cloud computing, allowing you to use your most productive tools over the internet. You can work on your documents, presentations, and spreadsheets from anywhere at any time. With your data stored in the cloud, you don't need to bother about data loss in case your device is stolen, lost, or damaged. Cloud also helps in sharing of documents and enables different individuals to work on the same document at the same time. Business process. Many business management applications like Customer Relationship Management (CRM) and Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) are also based on a cloud service provider. Software as a service (SaaS) has become a popular method for deploying enterprise-level software. Salesforce, HubSpot, Marketo, etc. are popular examples of this model. This method is cost-effective and efficient for both the service provider and customers. It ensures hassle-free management, maintenance, and security of your organization's critical business resources and allows you to access these applications conveniently via a web browser. Backup and recovery. When you choose cloud for data storage, the responsibility of your information also lies with your service provider. This saves you from the capital outlay for building infrastructure and maintenance. Your cloud service provider is responsible for securing data and meeting legal and compliance requirements. The cloud also provides more flexibility in the sense that you can enjoy large storage and on-demand backups. Recovery is also performed faster in the cloud because the data is stored over a network of physical servers rather than at one on-site data center. Dropbox, Google Drive, and Amazon S3 are popular examples of cloud backup solutions. Application deployment. Whether you are developing an application for web or mobile or even game, cloud platforms prove to be a reliable solution. Using cloud, you can easily create scalable cross-platform experiences for your users. These platforms include many pre-coded tools and libraries like directory services, search, and security. This can speed up and simplify the development process. Amazon Lumberyard is a popular mobile game development tool used in the cloud. Test and development. The cloud can provide an environment to cut expenses and launch your apps in the market faster. Rather than setting up physical environments, developers can use the cloud to set up and dismantle test and development environments. This saves the technical team from securing budgets and spending critical project time and resources. These dev test environments can also be scaled up or down based on requirements. Loadstorm and Blazemeter are popular testing tools. Big data analytics. Cloud computing enables data scientists to tap into any organizational data to analyze it for patterns and insights, find correlations, make predictions, forecast future crises, and help in data-backed decision-making. Cloud services make mining massive amounts of data possible by providing higher processing power and sophisticated tools. There are many open-source big data tools that are based on the cloud, for instance, Hadoop, Cassandra, HPCC, etc. Without the cloud, it won't be very difficult to collect and analyze data in real time, especially for small companies. Social networking. Social media is the most popular and often overlooked application of cloud computing. Facebook, LinkedIn, MySpace, Twitter, and many other social networking sites use cloud computing. Social networking sites are designed to find people you already know or would like to know. In course of finding people, we end up sharing a lot of personal information. Of course, if you are sharing information on social media, then you're not only sharing it with friends but also with the makers of the platform. This means that the platform will require a powerful hosting solution to manage and store data in real time, making use of cloud critical. Cloud has provided sophisticated solutions to companies as well as individuals. If you are looking for a service provider to help you leverage cloud, then Newgen Apps can be a partner of choice. We have worked on many popular cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and GCP. Contact us today for a consultation or project. Advantages of cloud computing. Cost savings. Cost saving is the biggest benefit of cloud computing. It helps you to save substantial capital cost as it does not need any physical hardware investments. Also, you do not need trained personnel to maintain the hardware. The buying and managing of equipment is done by the cloud service provider. Strategic edge. Cloud computing offers a competitive edge over your competitors. It helps you to access the latest and applications anytime without spending your time and money on installations. High speed. Cloud computing allows you to deploy your service quickly in fewer clicks. This faster deployment allows you to get the resources required for your system within fewer minutes. Backup and restore data. Once the data is stored in a cloud, it is easier to get the backup and recovery of that, which is otherwise very time-taking process on premise. Automatic software integration. In the cloud, software integration is something that occurs automatically. Therefore, you don't need to take additional efforts to customize and integrate your applications as per your preferences. Reliability. Reliability is one of the biggest aspects of cloud computing. You can always get instantly updated about the changes. Mobility. Employees who are working in the premises or at the remote locations can easily access all the cloud services. All they need is an internet connectivity. Unlimited storage capacity. The cloud offers almost limitless storage capacity. At any time, you can quickly expand your storage capacity with very nominal monthly fees. Collaboration. The cloud computing platform helps employees who are located in different geographies to collaborate in a highly convenient and secure manner. Quick deployment. Last but not least, cloud computing gives you the advantage of rapid deployment. So when you decide to use the cloud, your entire system can be fully functional in very few minutes. Although the amount of time taken depends on what kind of technologies are used in your business. Disadvantages of cloud computing. Here are significant challenges of using cloud computing. Performance can vary. When you are working in a cloud environment, your application is running on the server, which simultaneously provides resources to other businesses. Any greedy behavior or DDoS attack on your tenant could affect the performance of your shared resource. Technical issues. Cloud technology is always prone to an outage and other technical issues. Even the best cloud service provider companies may face this type of trouble despite maintaining high standards of maintenance. Security threat in the cloud. Another drawback while working with cloud computing services is security risk. Before adopting cloud technology, you should be well aware of the fact that you will be sharing all your company's sensitive information to a third-party cloud computing service provider. Hackers might access this information. Downtime. Downtime should also be considered while working with cloud computing. That's because your cloud provider may face power loss, low internet connectivity, service maintenance, etc. Internet connectivity. Good internet connectivity is a must in cloud computing. You can't access cloud without an internet connection. Moreover, you don't have any other way to gather data from the cloud. Lower bandwidth. Many cloud storage service providers limit bandwidth usage of their users. So, in case if your organization surpasses the given allowance, the additional charges could be significantly costly. Lack of support. Cloud computing companies fail to provide proper support to the customers. Moreover, they want their user to depend on FAQs or online help, which can be a tedious job for non-technical persons. Quick recap. Cloud computing is a model for enabling convenient, on-demand network access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources. For example, networks, servers, storage, applications and services that can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimal management effort or service provider interaction. Allows for the provision of service based on current demand requirements. This is done automatically using software automation, enabling the expansion and contraction of service capability as needed. Uses a virtualized software model, enabling the sharing of physical services, storage and networking capabilities. Uses metering for managing and optimizing the service and to provide reporting and billing information. Cloud is a network that delivers requested virtual resources as a service. Cloud computing services are divided into three classes: Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, Platform as a Service, PaaS, and Software as a Service, SaaS. The unit cost of on-demand capacity may be higher than the unit cost per time unit of fixed capacity. This is offset by not having to pay for the resource when not in use. Faster provisioning of resources is a key benefit in using clouds. Public cloud is built over the internet and can be accessed by any user who has paid for the service. A private cloud is built within the domain of an internet owned by a single organization. Hybrid clouds operate in the middle with many compromises in terms of resource sharing. A community cloud is shared between organizations with a common goal or that fit into a specific community, professional community, geographic community, etc.